EXPERIAN, you really want me to write letters in physical form. You don't want me to dispute online. You don't want me to dispute over the phone. You actually want me to write letters. Okay, fine. But we're going to do it on my terms. Here's the letter. Here's another letter. Here's the letter. Here's the letter. Here's the letter. Okay, here's what we're going to do. We're going to write letters, all of these letters, to many different people at EXPERIAN. In order to write letters to EXPERIAN, we're going to need to know their address. Now, EXPERIAN is a worldwide company. It has offices in Ireland, UK, South America, Asia, Canada, and thankfully it only has one office in the United States, and that office is located in California. Now, here's what we're going to do. We're going to send multiple letters. We're going to send a letter to the regular dispute department. We're going to send a letter to the corporate dispute department. And we're going to send letters to a whole bunch of other people. Now, to get these people's names, we're going to have to go and look at the EXPERIAN website. So let's go and check out the board and senior management. Let's scroll down and check out all these people that are situated all over the world, including the senior management. Now, what we're going to do is look for managers and lawyers, legal counsel that are located in the United States and have responsibility for the United States. All for hiring people based on expertise, their resume, their skills, and definitely their merit. But come on, you can't tell me that you haven't received one qualified person from South America, an Asian country, an African country. Get it together. Our real legal and compliance team, we have Merit, who's legal counsel. We have Marcia, who is legal counsel. And we have John, who is senior counsel. Nice teeth, John. Hey guys, give me a quick second. I want to talk to Marcia alone, so if you could just excuse me for a second. Well, let's talk about these letters. First, we have a letter here to Dear John. We have a letter to EXPERIAN, their corporate office. We have a letter to EXPERIAN, their dispute office. We have a letter to, I'll save that one for later. We have a letter to Merit. Very nice lady, Merit. And we also have a letter to Marcia. And we'll see what happens. You know, give it a couple weeks. I love you guys. Talk to you later. Okay, I recorded that video several months ago. So as you know, on my EXPERIAN credit report right here, I did get that, actually all of them. I got them all removed. But I don't know if the letters 100% did it, because I was doing letters, I was calling them, I was doing automated system, I was doing CFPB, I was doing everything. I was talking to live people, machines, a couple tricks that I showed you in my other videos. So yes, let's go down here to see where the collections are. Personal, oh, there you go. So 0 collections, okay, 0 collections. And just so you can see the date, what is the date today? And there you go, Thursday, May 26th. I did everything. I was super aggressive and I got those collections taken off. Love you guys.